is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights.
Smells in here. Smells in here. Farts. Jesus. There's going to be some animals in here, I know there is.
I've got a spidey.
Yeah, I bet. Better than a field day in here.
Oh, kangaroo.
It's alright, fucking learner.
If I'll ever figure out where the road goes, even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs.
Revs are us.
You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down.
Oh, stop doing it. Oh, shit. I feel like I'm being strangled. Don't go down that way, turn left.
Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And
Why are you doing this? Why is it?
Urban's Day Out.
Oh, sorry. How exciting. Going to get the second jab, then going to Tesco's, then going to the chemist, then going to Buddings.
Why are you talking like that?
I really wanna know, if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high.
Pointing out the window or anything?
Even if the sky is falling down.
Got the M11 on there. Oh, bloody hell.
The sky is falling down. The sky is falling down.
Let's go that. Should be along the right hand side.
Even if the sky is falling down.
Here.
Few inches later. 20 minutes later. Eventually.
Oh, it is.
Who's got your name on it?
Yeah.
Where is it?
Over here in the shade. Into the shade. I'm not silly. I always park into the shade. Try them plum ones, or do it them ones. Are they plum?
Plum.
Oh, the fine.
How much are they? Well, there's more in there. So.
What's the date?
February next year.
Oh, getting through then. Oh, sorry.
Bye.
£1.50.
One hour later.
So after an eventful day, going out, getting the old COVID jab done, so we decided to go shopping. And well, we got it all in one shop actually, so we didn't have to muck about. Didn't need any meat as such, so we didn't have to go to any other shops. So you know, just got nice little tomatoes, big block of cheese, some pancetta, some normal bacon, some nice pork and honey chipolatas. I treated myself because these were quite dear to these Aberdeen Angus beef sausages. I've had these before, they're really, really tasty. So I thought I'd treat myself. And we've got some, obviously, what the heck, chicken sausages. These got tomato, mozzarella, basil, garlic, and all that good stuff. So these are really, really nice. I've got a couple of these because these are really nice for making pizzas, like your pizza base. So this is cheese pesto for pizza base. Then I found this. See this one? I thought I'd get this one. This is cheese and tomato flatbread. So that'd be nice. Just put a few toppings on that one. So that's all done. Got some nice spring onions. They're really nice. Lettuce, some radish. I've got some portobello mushrooms, and I've got some chestnut mushrooms and some baby chestnut. So all different sizes. Gonna have these portobello ones. Not later today, maybe tomorrow. I've got something planned for those. Courgettes, really nice. Halloumi, which we like a lot. And we've got some. I've got some green beans, some baby plum tomatoes, some already cut chicken. That's for like my sandwiches. Some eggs, asparagus. I've got these really nice tomatoes. I'm going to do something with these maybe later. I'll show you about these. Obviously it won't be the same video. Snap peas, some small flatbreads, some peppers, some sweet mini peppers, and some chopped tomatoes, which I use a lot and some mayonnaise, which we use a lot. And we did have some crinkle chips, but they're already gone in the freezer. So, oh, and some Bennicle, some drinks. So, you see that? My wife drinks these daily, so really good. So, we just sort of like crack on really, and so my morning's sort of like gone, but obviously we're still back here while I've been out, and all the premieres have been playing, and obviously I will obviously get back to these like later on today. Well, I'll start watching them in a minute actually, and then obviously I'll just get back to them and set up my playlists for all my members, which I normally do anyway. Click through all their latest videos and check out, see what's going on with them, and because obviously at the end of the day, that's why they pay their membership, so they're getting something. And happy days. So thank you very much, and I'll see you all later. And looks like it's going to be another cracking day actually. It was hot yesterday, so I have to come out and I'll check all my plants. I'll show you these before. Potatoes. We've got green beans, snap peas, and we've got some mint, some spring onions up here, and we've got tomatoes, spring onions there, peppers, that's a courgette, some more, well, that needs watering, some more tomatoes, and some over there, you can see that it's carrots. Then we've got some herbs, we've got parsley, chives, basil, some more spring onions, and some coriander. So we'll see you all later, and take it easy. Enjoy the weather. I am. See you guys. Bye.